Hello everybody. For this week's video, I'm going to be stealing. This idea is from Lavender Town. Please go watch her video. It's awesome and everything she does is awesome. But what I'm going to be doing is redrawing some album covers. Yes. If you hear background noise, I'm really sorry. I have people over and my little rat of a sister. So basically, what I'm just gonna do is I'm here on my liked songs and I'm just going to shuffle it and I'm going to be redrawing some of the album covers from these songs that I get. So let's do that now. Okay. So the first one is Harry's House album cover. It's actually such a cool cover. I love it. So yeah, let's go do that now. Okay, so starting off, I decided to put grids all over the place. I don't actually know how to do grids. I don't know what I was doing there. But yeah, anyway, so I'm just gonna talk about the album cover. I actually love Harry Styles so much. It's painful. I love Harry Styles so much. I have like the entire Harry's House album on my playlist because it's so good. I don't even know what my favorite genre is anymore. At this point, my favorite genre is just Harry Styles. Somehow he captured everything that I like in music and put it in his album, and I love him for that. For the background, I actually had no idea what I was doing because I don't know anything about backgrounds or perspective or anything that make me want to kill myself. So I did everything I could. Here, I decided to there's a whole background and I decided to actually use little lines for the little painting on the wall. As you can see, I am a genius. Anyway, so I started putting colors for the walls after doing the background. This is going faster than I thought, but that's better for you guys. I just very lazily colored everything, I just blended everything up to make it look good. Somehow, after doing the couches and everything, I forgot that I had a wall and a ceiling. I don't understand what's going on in this album cover. I'm not gonna pretend that I do. I don't know if it's the house that's upside down or the world that's upside down or that Harry's upside down. It's actually a baffling album cover and I don't know the meaning behind it. Anyway, so I very horribly colored this. I didn't really care much about it, and then I realized Harry's hair is so freaking huge, so I went and humaned it up. His hair looks a little dark in that, so anyway, so I very horribly started coloring the whole thing, and that's pretty much all I did. I colored the entire thing. This one took me about 46-ish minutes, I think. Yeah. So that's Harry's house. This is the full drawing. I hope that it looks good to your eyes because it did not take me very long to make. Moving on to the next one. I'm sorry, I'm skipping a lot of these because a lot of these I can't draw. I can't draw this. Okay. Next is this picture. It's from Heart Attack by Chew from Luna. It's actually so cute and it fits my style of drawings that I do. If you see here on my Patreon, if you see here on my Pinterest, all the pictures have a similar vibe, like pretty Korean girls and very nice aesthetics. So yeah, okay, next is this one. Let's go do that now. For this one, I just went in immediately and just started doing things. I am not an avid K-pop listener, but this song is so cute. It just sounds good and it makes my ears happy. Anyway, I just did a very messy sketch. I didn't really care much about what it looked like. I was suffering a little with this one actually while I was coloring it. But that's okay. I basically just went on top of the sketch and started adding random colors. Her hair is a big old mess, so I was just color picking and just scribbling it on there, then did a horrible blending job, which doesn't count. Okay, I just blurred it real quick, and I'm gonna go over it in rendering, which is right now. I ended up fixing the nose later because it was really weird. obviously didn't leave it like this, guys. So yeah, I just went over, did a bunch of things. I changed a lot. Like, I ended up accidentally messing up her face shape without noticing, but I did go in to fix that later, so don't worry. I just think this album cover is so cute, and it gives me like summer picnic vibes, cute girl stuff, whatever. I went in to do her hair because it was like obviously a mess, and I had to do her hair. I didn't know what I was doing, so I started doing squiggly lines all over the place. So I had to fix her nose because it was ugly, so I did that. And yeah, I fixed up her eyes a little because they were a little wonky. There was Korean writing. I didn't know what it said, but I quickly recreated it. I'm not a calligrapher, but yeah. That was Heart Attack from Luna from Chu. I really like it. I like how it turned out for something that I made in 33 minutes, so yeah. Next one now. Okay, the last one I'm going to be doing is... Okay, I don't think this is much of a surprise. I feel like a lot of people have this on their playlist because of TikTok. I admit it. Okay. I don't like drawing men, but let's do this. Will I ever have a moment of happiness? I actually think this one ended up being the worst one yet, because obviously I can't have one video being normal, right? Anyway, so for this one, I was gonna start off with the hair like a weirdo, but yeah. Anyway, I started with a very angular face because Fujikaze has a very nice and angular face. He's an attractive man, if I do say so myself. Okay, this one was actually grayscale, if you can't see with your eyes. So I guess that made it a little easier, but at the same time it made it incredibly difficult because I have no idea what I'm doing. I've never done grayscale before. This was definitely an experience. I would not do it again. I hate this one because it reminds me of Michael Jackson. At first I made the neck a little too thin. I do go in and fix that in a bit. The hair I decided to do like at the end, which was a little therapeutic, but I hate this one. He looks like if Michael Jackson was in like a forever, like a never-ending sleep, and was like suspended in the air like majestically. That's what my drawing looks like. I did no justice to Fujikaze. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed me bashing my art. That one was a little mid, if I do say so myself. Would not paint again. Okay, that's pretty much it. So here's the drawings again. We got Harry's house, Chu, and Fujikaze, which you just saw. I had fun doing this, actually. The Fujikaze one actually was like, it took me like 20 something minutes. It was the shortest one, and it shows. I probably could have made it better if I put more time into it, but I'm tired after a long day. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. I have very fun videos planned for every Sunday, so if you want to see them, why don't you subscribe, maybe put the bell notification if you want to be there on time. Thank you for watching again. How many times did I say that? I don't know, but I was fighting myself trying not to say thank you again. Come back next time, please.